Today is a muscle car, the Revell Plymouth 70 AARCUDA. Looks pretty cool. 128 parts. Box art looks nice. Looks like it's got a nice piece of engine detail. So let's take a look. Not a huge fan of how their boxes open at the rear. See if I can do this without cutting my fingers off. Alright. Let's see. So, instructions. And that's it. One huge bag. So, let's see what's in here. This is Revell Europe or Germany. Let's put this to one side here. Alright, we got a chrome sprue. Looks pretty nice and detailed. A lot of chrome. Let's see, we've got a bag of small sprues here. Okay, engine. Looks okay. Another sprue. Looks like some of the body parts from grill, bumpers. Oh, these are very small sprues. Exhaust. This looks like more engine manifold parts. Let's see, door cards. They look quite detailed. Steering wheel, etc. Okay. Seats, they look nice. Dashboard or the seat, and then front bonnet or hood, depending on where you're from. And then some really interesting looking suspension parts. Wow, a lot of little sprues. Let's keep opening these mini sprues. Let's see. Alright. So we have the tub. Looks fine. We have another sprue of under the chassis components. Okay, this is some more engine bits by the looks of it. Brake discs, more engine parts. Wow, this is a lot of sprues. More engine parts, another part for the exhaust. Interesting. Let's see. We have some, oh, looks like this has already been partially opened. Was that me? I don't know. Here is the glass, and the glass looks good. Yep. Some good glass. I guess it doesn't have any side windows. I'll have to look into that. But the front and rear glass looks good, which is nice. I've had a few issues with these Revells. Let's see. And then here is the body. Trying to do that without cutting it up. Wow, there's a lot of parts. I'm going to have to really dig into the parts here. Super odd. Here's the chassis. Right here. And here is the body, which looks very cool. It has a mold line down here. Bit of dirt over there. So that looks cool, right? It's a cool car. And then there are 4 tyres. No markings on the side. What do we have here? 4 pins. Is that it? Let's see. And then let's see. We have decal sheet, and the instruction manual. And there are 37 steps, and I'm going to do this in Cadbury's purple, I think is the plan. So let's see how it comes out. Looks like a bit of a monster build, or maybe just there's quite a few blank outs here on the instructions. Let's see, if it's black it means parts not used, or in German nicht benutzt Teal. I think I pronounced that correctly. So yeah, it looks interesting. Let's get it going and see how it comes out. Thanks everybody, hope everybody's well. here it is, the finished model. This thing was slow going for me for some reason. I had to pivot a couple of times, but the paint came out really nice. I can't get the hood open for some reason, but I did do the engine bay, as you could tell. Recommend it? Yes. You have to put some time into it. But I'm relatively happy with it. It just seems to have taken forever to build. Again, everybody, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and have a great day. Thanks.